Hello, in front of me I have Cubot X19 and I'm gonna show you how to reset the app preferences on this device. First we need to open the settings. To do it, swipe up on the home button twice, like this, then tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll down and tap on the system. Here select advanced and then tap on reset options. And right here we have option called Reset App Preferences. Let's tap on it. And then tap Reset Apps to confirm. And that's how you reset the app preferences on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.